Good morning. It is freezing in Southern California. We do not get this cold. I'm thinking it's like in the 40s or the 50s. It is freezing. So it is about 3:51, and my shift starts at 4. It's a 2-hour shift. Wow, I'm not used to this. So we'll see. It should be a good day. Hopefully we'll be out on time. You never know with airlines though. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. It's just hard to work with him, right? Okay, you guys, so it is 9:10 a.m. It is so late. I never leave work this late when I do an early morning shift. I should have been done at 6 a.m., but two things happened. One thing, there was flow in our star flight. Our star flight is the first flight of the day to Denver. And what happened was TSA, air traffic control, which we call ATC, forbids certain planes from flying out and landing because of safety reasons. So that plane had to be unloaded after we had loaded it, and it was like a 3-hour delay. I did not have to stay for that. We had other crew staying, so that was okay, but I actually had to stay for about 3 hours to do my recurrent training. We have constant training to keep things, you know, all our safety, our security, all that kind of stuff up to date. So I stayed for about 3 hours to work on my training. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.